Hello everyone, this is update on my robot project. I didn't manage to build a lot of it. See, this is just one half plus one leg. This is because I had problems with my new printer. I cannot manage to make it work. Still, I have some interesting results. I kind of start to get feel what it's gonna look like. It comes out bigger and heavier than I expected, but also cooler. This looks pretty impressive to me. Problems that I had, as I mentioned, printer, and also I realized that I made some design mistakes with small motors. Big motors fine, but small motors have some problems. So I reordered parts, waiting, going to remake them. Well, this is just the size of it. You can see what it feels like, what it looks like. Motors give a little bit of resistance because when I turn, they start generating electricity and power themselves on. If I go slow, it's soft, but then if I go fast, it gives resistance. Like you can see here, this LED lights up if I turn it fast. Maybe I have to disable this feature, but that's mine. Well, this is what I have so far. More updates to come. Stay tuned. Thank you very much and have a good day.